Good evening to all of you present over here. So this is Suraj Pawar. Come back with the new project which is based on like the which is provide the project which is given by the REGex Software Services. So this is my the final project based on the Angular. The topic is like how we make the calculator by using the Angular 12. So in that I'm just using the Angular 12. So here it is. So first of all, my folder name is ng calculator. So after that, we have the SCR means source folder. Inside the source folder, my app name, my app over there. So inside the app, there are different components, services, and the inbuilt component called app.component.specs, then app component.ts, then app component.model.ts files. So in that, first of all, how the sequence and the flow which is given. So first of all, the thing about that from index file. So from index file, we can see that like in this project, I'm just using the bootstrap and different CSS and like styling files. So I'm just instead of installing, so I'm just using that the links and I just provided towards the index.html file. I just put it over there inside the head tag. So after that, I'm just go with the app.model.ts files. So in app.model.ts files, whatever the like the things such as like they are the components declaration, then ng modules, and then importing functions like in these forms model, because I'm using the form like I just make the contact form. So in bootstrap it's required for this. So it's compares like for modeling for root purpose for router models which is present over here. So after that it should be goes to the app.component.html file. So in that app.model HTML file, the app.header where header tag which is required. So after that, they are the different components I'm just using over here. So let's see the stepwise what are the components and what it's used. So in home tab, I just in home.component.html file. So in that file, so I'm just using the thing like they are like some content of the flute. So I'm just using the current images like sliding images over there. I just put it, and after that like carouse like images, and after that I'm just putting like some kind of cards. Based on that card, I'm just want to include it my different projects of like our rejects assignments. I just want to put it with the links. So this is all about this in the home page home component. After the home component, I just go with the heading. So inside the header components, in the heading components, all this contents with the having the navbars. So in this navbars, so basically the navbars is like this. So like home, about, login, contact, and all these components which is navbars which is present. After that, I just having the in that there is like content. There is a content in content forms in content dot component.html form. So in that I'm just smallly contact form in like mail ID, password, address to city and state. After that in calculator, inside the calculator, the main thing which is are included is like having jumbotrons I'm using. So after that calculator, enter the calculator input. As input I just get it from the user whatever the inputs, and it should be displayed the result at the output. So based on this click function all clean and press operation. So this is all about the clean means these are all about the methods. So all these methods declaration should be inside the app.component.ts files. So after that it should be like click, press, enter, and types and different classes I just provided to us. And after that the colors and all these things like in this they are like quorum steps and all kind of for purpose. I'm just using the container for this different containers in that I just displayed over there. So yes, and in about session I just included a small description kind of things, like for example just waited, I just erase this thing. save it. Then in this the creating of the having creating Angular applications, then this application with adding the bootstraps and also having templates. So this is all well jumbotron, I just included over there. So after that, so let's go towards how we have just run our coding. So in console we have just seen that it should be successfully compiled over there. So let's go toward how output. So this is our output should be look like this. So in that, first of all, app component, it's a calculates nav bars over this, like home, about, an app calculator. In that, contact and search button, and this is a footer part. So let's go on. If we want to click on like home page, so it should be home page, it should be displayed. So yes, it's home page, like different, this having different karaoke and all these things. So when click on the about page, so having different karaoke, so like creating of the application. So first step is this. After that, adding of the bootstraps, like with the links on the like index.html file. After that, creating the components like calculator components or with having inside the different folders, adding the templates and the screens which is having to showing on the output. And final, we check the logic whether each and every mathematical whatever the calculations part is actually true or not. So that's the final stage. So let's call when click on the app calculator. So this is a app calculator screens which is available. So when I just click on like 9 plus 3 plus 6, so automatically output should be 18 which is provided. So whatever the input should be given, so here the result which is came automatically based on that input components. So this is all about this. So when I just click on my contact form, so in contact form, like email, mail id, password, address to, and then they having the ham city, then there is a tag having the states and zip files. And if you want to like check out the button, so check it, or you can maybe sign it. So and this is like search button. So this is all about the things, the application which I made by using the Angular 12 based on the project which is based on the calculator apps. So hope you like it. Do not forget about to share and click on the like button. Thank you so much.